Hello developers and engineers, welcome to DevKit Weekly. I'm Ken Briota, Editor-in-Chief at Embedded Computing Design, and this week on DevKit Weekly, we're going to take a look at the Beagleboard-AI from Beagleboard. The Beagleboard-AI is designed to be a low-cost, open-source, community-supported development platform for developers and hobbyists in a simple, easy-to-use form factor compatible with accessories available for other popular single-board computers. The Beagleboard-AI is special in that it has the ability to run AI applications on a dedicated 4-TOPS coprocessor along with running real-time I/O tasks on a dedicated 800 MHz microcontroller. In addition, Beagleboard.org provides Debian Linux software images and a built-in development environment with the board. So you've really got everything that you need to get rolling. Let's take a peek at this good little pup. Now, you can see here that it has got a wide selection of I/O ports, including 2 MIPI CSI PCI-Express Gen3 interface, though it does require an external adapter, 4 USB 3 Type A host ports at 5 gigabits per second, 1 USB 2 Type C device port, and a power input at 480 megabits per second. We got expansion header, fan power, and control connector here. It can run 3 simultaneous displays via micro HDMI, OLDI with touchscreen support, and MIPI DSI with touchscreen support. There's a lot going on here, as you can see. For memory, it has a 4 gigabits LPDDR4 micro SD card socket and a board identifier EEPROM. The networking features are pretty robust too, with a Beagleboard.org BM3301 module based on the TI CC3301. It's got Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4 with BLE, and gigabit Ethernet with power over Ethernet support via an add-on. Look, all of this is very nice, but we're here for the AI features right now. Those capabilities come right down to the chipset, and we are not lacking there at all. Right away, we find the TI-AM67A ARM-based vision processor is paired with a quad-core 64-bit ARM Cortex-A53 CPU subsystem at 1.4 gigahertz and a dual general-purpose C7X DSP with matrix multiply accelerator capable of 4 TOPS. Not only those, but there's also GPU, video, and vision accelerators, and other specialized processing capabilities, and an ARM Cortex R5 subsystem for low latency I/O and control to keep everything moving fast and smooth, like a beagle. Look, Beagleboard says that the Beagleboard-AI is designed to meet the needs of professional developers and classroom environments, and I guess hobbyists alike, by being affordable, easy to use, open source hardware that really won't limit how far you can take any design in practical applications, all the way through to being ready to start building at scale. Look, and I can't disagree with them. Beagleboard-AI is exactly what it says in the box, and that's saying a lot. This dog can hunt. If you want to find out more about the Beagleboard-AI, you can visit Beagleboard at the link down in the description. It's beagleboard.org. Please like and share this video, and make sure that you're subscribed so you never miss an episode of DevKit Weekly or any of our shows. And to keep up with all the news in embedded, make sure you're visiting us at embeddedcomputing.com every single day. We publish so much news. And then, of course, every week we do our In Case You Missed It Embedded Insights news program here on YouTube and on LinkedIn. That is all for this edition of DevKit Weekly. I've been Ken Briota with Embedded Computing Design and your host. And as always, thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next edition of DevKit Weekly.